You just paid for your digital rent, $20 a month for a plus version of a brain you don't even own. But here's the truth big tech won't tell you. The PC sitting on your desk right now is actually more capable of building a zero-person empire than ChatGPT ever will be. In my third year of BTech studying IoT, I learned one thing. Intelligence is useless if it's trapped in a cloud browser. ChatGPT is a walled garden. It can't see your local files, it can't talk to your hardware, and it certainly won't work if your internet goes down. Today, we're breaking the walls. We're moving the brain from their servers to your local silicon. This isn't just about saving $240 a year. It's about digital sovereignty. When you run a Go script on your own GPU, you own the intelligence. No filters, no as an AI language model excuses, and most importantly, no data leaks. Your automation works for you, not for a corporation's training set. Most people think you need a $5,000 server to do this. They're wrong. If you have a decent PC, you have a private factory. I'm going to show you how to set up a local LLM that connects directly to my Raspberry Pi via a Python bridge. We're going from a chatbot to a commander. Step 1, we need a brain that doesn't live in a cloud. We're using Ollama. It's an open-source framework that lets you run models like Llama 3 or Mistral directly on your hardware. Notice the speed. There's no waiting for server response or high traffic errors. This is raw, local power. If you have a GPU with at least 8 gigabytes of VRAM, you aren't just a user anymore, you're a host. But a brain without hands is just a chatbot. This is where my IoT background comes in. I've written a Go script in Python. While ChatGPT is trapped in a browser, this script acts as a bridge between the AI and your PC's file system. It allows the local LLM to execute commands, organize your data, and, here's the kicker, talk to physical hardware. Look at this. I just asked the AI to perform a local system diagnostic. The AI processes the request on my GPU, triggers the Python bridge, and the Arduino gives me a physical status update. This is a closed-loop zero-person system. It doesn't need Wi-Fi, it doesn't need OpenAI's permission, and it definitely doesn't need a $20 monthly fee. You don't need to be a senior developer to build this. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of the functionality comes from 20% of the core logic. I use the AI to help me write the very bridge that controls the hardware. It's a self-improving cycle. This is how you transition from being a consumer to being a creator. The subscription era wants you dependent and predictable. The local silicon revolution wants you powerful and private. I'm dropping the setup guide and my basic bridge code in the description. Stop renting your digital life. Start building your local empire. I'm Automation Hub, and I'll see you in the terminal. Subscribe to join the revolution.